Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Fiat 500 tire pressure. The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, is a crucial safety feature that warns you if your tire pressure drops too low. After adjusting your tire pressures or replacing a tire, you'll need to reset this system. This simple process ensures your car accurately monitors tire health, contributing to safer driving and better fuel economy. Before resetting, always ensure your tires are correctly inflated. You can find the recommended pressure, typically around 30 to 35 psi, on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb or in your owner's manual. Use a good quality gauge to check all 4 tires when they are cold. Adjust each tire to its recommended pressure, adding or releasing air as needed to ensure accuracy. Now let's reset the system. First, turn your car's ignition on, but do not start the engine. Next, use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate through the instrument panel menu. Look for the Vehicle Settings or Setup option. Within this menu, you should find Tire Pressure Reset or TPMS. Select this option and confirm the reset when prompted, usually by pressing OK or Menu. After confirming the reset, you'll need to drive your Fiat 500 to allow the system to recalibrate. Drive at a speed of over 15 miles per hour for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the TPMS enough time to learn the new tire pressures and turn off the warning light. If the light remains on, double-check your tire pressures or consider having a professional inspect the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.